In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule group meetings with Doodle in this 2025 tutorial. Doodle is an incredibly useful tool that simplifies the process of organizing meetings with multiple participants. It's great for coordinating with team members, friends, or any group where finding a convenient time for everyone can be a challenge. Let's dive right in and explore the step-by-step process to get your group meeting scheduled with Doodle. First, you'll need to navigate to the Doodle website. Once you're there, look for the option to create a group poll. This feature is where you can start organizing your meeting by selecting and suggesting possible time slots for your participants. It's the foundational step to gather everyone's availability. Next, it's time to fill out the title of your meeting. This could be something straightforward like monthly team meeting, or more specific depending on the subject you'll cover. By giving your meeting a clear and concise title, your invitees will immediately understand the purpose of the gathering. After the title, you'll move on to the description. Here's your chance to provide additional context about the meeting. What will be discussed? Why is it important for everyone to attend? This description helps participants better prepare, ensuring the meeting is fruitful and everyone is on the same page. Once the description is set, you'll need to specify the location. If it's an in-person meeting, indicate where it will be held. In today's digital age, you might be hosting virtual meetings more often. Luckily, Doodle accommodates that by allowing integration with video conferencing tools. If you're opting for a virtual meeting, the next step is to select your preferred video conferencing option. Doodle offers integration with platforms like Google Meet, making it seamless to connect easily with all participants without much hassle. To finalize setting up your video call details, you'll want to connect Doodle to Google Meet. Keep in mind there's a loading process during this connection, so you might have to wait briefly. Once linked, Google Meet will be automatically available in your invitations, and it'll save you the trouble of sending out separate meeting links. Now, you're ready to proceed to the scheduling portion. Choose the date and time your meeting will occur, including its duration, so everyone can plan accordingly. Double-check everything from the meeting points to times, ensuring all details are correct before proceeding. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Create and Share. This action generates a link to the poll which you can then share with all the participants. They'll be able to see the proposed times, vote on their preferences, and indicate when they're available. This collaborative scheduling makes finding the best time far less stressful for all involved. And that's it. You've now scheduled a group meeting using Doodle, streamlining coordination with your group. Remember, good planning is key to successful meetings. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy scheduling!